Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by testing one small strand so you know how your hair reacts. This prevents surprises. Mix fresh lemon juice and brewed chamomile tea in a spray bottle, adding 1/2 teaspoon honey to help with moisture retention. Apply to mid-lengths and ends first, because roots process faster. Once done, comb through for even coverage and sit in sunlight or under low heat for 30–60 minutes. Make sure to monitor every 15 minutes so you control lift and avoid overprocessing. You continue by reapplying the lemon chamomile spray in short cycles to build lift gradually. This avoids sudden uneven bleaching. Once applied, increase activation with sun exposure or gentle heat. Keep temperatures moderate so you don't damage hair cuticles. While waiting, check the strand test and adjust timing. Darker hair may need multiple sessions spaced days apart. After you reach the desired lift, rinse thoroughly with cool water. Then use a rich conditioner or hair mask for 5 to 10 minutes to restore. You finish by neutralizing unwanted warm tones. Use an apple cider or diluted lemon, rinse sparingly, and alternate with a purple shampoo if brass appears. Make sure to implement weekly deep conditioning and UV protection to maintain softness and color stability. If hair becomes over-dry, apply a warm olive oil treatment for 20–30 minutes and follow with a protein-rich mask. If extreme brassiness or damage occurs, pause home treatments and consult a professional colorist for a safer correction plan.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.